Hello, Doc. Yeah, the Hammond Doc here, working on this Leslie 147 amplifier, getting ready to install this 10K volume potentiometer. Of course, I'll connect this middle lug to this 1287 socket connection here. I have this brown wire. This brown wire is coming off of here. It's gonna go right there, along with this little wire here. That's gonna go there. And then there's a green wire that will go to the volume pot. In fact, there's another green wire. Okay, this green wire here will go to the volume potentiometer. We'll go here, and then there's a green wire that's going to come off of the input connector that will also go there as well. There will be a black wire that'll come off of the input connector that'll go here, along with this brown wire and this wire. So that's how you connect the volume potentiometer. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I have a couple of screws. I have this washer here, and then this I'll screw on there. This is the old one. Thing just looked terrible. Look at it. Been soldered on, and somebody's tried to repair something here. So anyway, it's got a brand new one on there now. All right, so Dr. Kemp doing what I do, refurbishing these amplifiers for the Churches of God here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Until the next video, please have a peaceful and wonderful day. Peace out.